Hi, it's Laura, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. Today I'm basically going to be showing you what products I use for washing and drying my hair. Well, what I've been using recently. I've been using this shampoo and conditioner set from the brand AMIKA. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but... So this is the Vault Colour Lock collection. So this is basically meant to keep your colour longer, which is perfect for me with me having different hair colours all the time. These smell absolutely amazing. Like, I wish you could smell something through a camera because these leave my hair smelling unreal. Yeah, so that's the shampoo and conditioner that I've been using. So basically I just put the shampoo on. I only normally shampoo once. Shampoo, wash that off, and then conditioner. Quickly like run my fingers through my hair, try and smooth it off a little bit, then wash that off. And then I've been using the Soul Food hair mask, which also is amazing. So yeah, I put this on. Leave this on for 5 to 7 minutes, it says. Normally I just leave it on for 5 minutes. I don't use this every time I wash my hair. I normally use this around about once a week just to keep my hair hydrated and topped up a little bit. So then when I've got this on, I use my Tangle TEEZER brush. This one's designed for using when your hair is wet, so it's got the 2 different length bristles and it's really soft, so it's not going to rip your hair when you're brushing through. So I brush that through, leave that on for 5 minutes, wash that all off. I leave my hair in a towel for around about 15 minutes just to soak up a bit more water so it's not soaking wet when I blow dry it. So in that time, if I'm going anywhere, I do usually just stick my makeup on, which is what I've done today. Before I start blow drying, I use the Wizard, which is a detangling spray. This is a lifesaver. It feels like an oil kind of mist when you spray it on, and it literally just like gets rid of any knots in your hair. So when you're brushing through or when you're blow drying, your hair feels so smooth. I honestly love this. Like, I use this every time I wash my hair now. So I spray that in. So then I brush through with this Tangle TEEZER, which is designed for thin hair, which is perfect for me with my colour in my hair all the time because my hair gets very snapped. And this just does not damage your hair when you're brushing through. So then I get rid of any knots with this. And then when I'm blow drying my hair, I use the Tangle TEEZER round brush. This is like an amazing design. Like, I've never seen anything like this before. Like, the bristles are like rubber. So when you're blow drying your hair, like, it keeps the tension in your hair so you can get that really smooth. Like, I've never seen a brush with that before, but it's really good. Also, you'll notice in the little video that when I'm blow drying my front parts of my fringe, I normally blow dry these straight down here. And then I do my part and after. Only because I have got the worst cow's leg and it sticks up like crazy. And I've never come across any kind of solution to help that. But I was watching one of Desi Perkins' videos a while back and she done that technique, and since I've seen it on there, I've done it every time and it's worked a treat. My cow's legs have stayed perfect. So yeah, I use this for blow drying, and I also just go back in between with this one just to kind of smooth my hair out, because this one you can use for like absolutely anything. And yeah, that's it. I don't really put anything on my hair when I've finished it. I normally just leave it as it is. And lately I've been trying not to straighten my hair, hence why I haven't straightened it in this video. Just I'm trying to keep the condition of it really healthy. With us dyeing it and bleaching it all the time, it's a bit of a nightmare. please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more videos from me. I'm going to list all the items down below that I've used today, just so you can go and check them out if you do want to use them, or if you do want to try them out. If there is any other routines or tutorials that you would like to see, please comment them down below and I'll see if I can do them. Thanks for watching.